Yeah, I think this conference today, or you call it summit, is a good avenue for all the speakers as well as the panelists to peel every issues that affecting healthcare system in Pakistan. What I realize in Pakistan is that not everyone have free access to the healthcare system. Not to say free access, but even very limited access, in which that they need to pay quite a high price for that. And then this is very important for the government as well as to private sector to collaborate with each other to think about the people, about how they could have access to the healthcare. In Malaysia, for instance, that the healthcare system is almost free to the people, as 70% of our population, we have 32 million, really rely on the public healthcare system. So perhaps that one of the best measures that Pakistan could do is to improve the public healthcare system. And then we have very healthy people, and then the healthy people is important to bring the country to be a developed nation, inshallah. Wow, that's a very good question. Basically, Malaysia and Pakistan, we have been friend and partners since 64 years back. And then the latest visit by my former Prime Minister, Tun Dr. Mahathir Mohamad, we have elevated our ties to the strategic partnerships. And then, of course, we at the Consulate General of Malaysia here, as well as High Commission in Pakistan, we have three important sectors that we would like to focus. First, trade investment. Second, education. And third, tourism. So in terms of trade, we are working quite hard. Last year we achieved USD 1.39 billion. Hopefully that we will improve further our bilateral trade, because 49% of our export item is palm oil and palm products. In terms of tourism, of course, we stop now for a while. Inshallah, we are reopening our border, inshallah, very soon, and then we could invite more Pakistan national to visit Malaysia. In terms of education also, there's a lot of universities in Malaysia where our Pakistani students pursuing their further education. So these three strategic and important sector we would like to further nurture to add substance to our strategic partnership. Or in order for you to perhaps that to be developed, what is more important is education, to increase the literacy of the people, and then to provide further education for the people. And then, of course, that one country cannot develop without having collaboration with other countries. So perhaps that the best measure is to increase the literacy of the people, as well as to to boost the collaboration with other countries, especially with your neighbor, inshallah.